Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can make the most out of a $1,000 investment. That's right, you don't need a ton of money to start building real wealth. Whether you're just starting out on your investment journey, or you're a seasoned pro looking to diversify your portfolio, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to break down 10 solid strategies that can help you turn that $1,000 into something much, much bigger. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic wealth-building strategy, the stock market. $1,000 can make a real difference. Start building a solid financial foundation. Invest in low-cost index funds. They track market indexes like the S&P 500. Diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Index funds have low fees. Be patient and consistent. Let compound interest work over time. The earlier you start, the better. Now, if you're looking for a potentially higher return investment but you're also comfortable with a little more risk, then peer-to-peer lending, or P2P, might be right up your alley. P2P lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper connect borrowers directly with investors, cutting out the traditional banks altogether. Here's how it works. You lend money to individuals or small businesses through the platform, and they repay you with interest over time. It's like becoming your own little bank. Because you're lending directly, you can often earn higher interest rates than you would with traditional savings accounts or even CDs. However, it's important to remember that P2P lending does come with risks. Borrowers on these platforms may default on their loans, which means you could lose some or all of your investment. That's why it's crucial to do your due diligence, carefully assess the risk of each loan, and diversify your investments across multiple borrowers to mitigate your risk. Next up, we're talking about real estate, one of my personal favorite investment vehicles. But you don't need to buy an entire property to get started in real estate investing. With real estate crowdfunding platforms, you can invest in commercial or residential properties with as little as $1,000 or even less, in some cases. These platforms pool money from multiple investors to purchase properties, and you receive a portion of the rental income or profits from property sales. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio with real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. Just like with any investment, there are risks involved. The real estate market can fluctuate, and there's always the possibility of property values declining. However, real estate crowdfunding offers a relatively low barrier to entry and can provide passive income and potential appreciation over time. Let's talk about cryptocurrency, the Wild West of the investment world. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer the potential for massive returns, but they also come with significant volatility. If you're considering dipping your toes into the crypto waters, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. Crypto prices can swing wildly in a single day, so it's not for the faint of heart. One strategy to manage risk is dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing your entire $1,000 at once, you spread your purchases over time, buying a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of the price. This helps to average out your purchase price and reduce the impact of volatility. Another key point, only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is still a relatively new asset class, and its future is uncertain. Treat it like a high-risk, high-reward investment. Now here's an investment that goes beyond the traditional investing in yourself. Instead of putting your $1,000 into the market, consider using it to launch a side business. The internet has made it easier than ever to turn your skills or passions into a profitable venture. You could start an e-commerce business through dropshipping, where you sell products online without holding any inventory, or you could become an affiliate marketer promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on sales. If you have writing, design, or marketing skills, you could offer your services as a freelancer. Starting a side hustle takes hard work and dedication, but it can be incredibly rewarding. You'll be your own boss, set your own hours, and have the potential to earn unlimited income. Plus, you'll gain valuable skills and experience that can benefit you in your career or future business ventures. Speaking of investing in yourself, another powerful way to use your $1,000 is to enhance your skills and knowledge. In today's rapidly changing job market, continuous learning is essential for staying ahead of the curve. Consider taking an online course or certification program in a high-demand field like programming, digital marketing, or data analysis. These skills are in high demand across various industries, and acquiring them can significantly boost your earning potential. You could also learn a valuable trade such as plumbing, electrical work, or carpentry. These trades are always in demand, and skilled tradespeople can command high hourly rates. Investing in your education and skills is an investment that pays dividends for years to come. Now, if you're looking for a hands-off approach to investing, robo-advisors might be the perfect solution for you. Robo-advisors are automated investment platforms that build and manage a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. Platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront use sophisticated algorithms to optimize your investments and typically charge lower fees than traditional financial advisors. They're a great option for beginners or anyone who wants to simplify their investment strategy. With a robo-advisor, you don't need to spend hours researching stocks, bonds, or other assets. The platform does the heavy lifting for you, rebalancing your portfolio automatically and ensuring you're on track to reach your financial goals. Alright, let's shift gears to some lower-risk investment options. If you're looking for a safe and secure place to park your money and earn a modest return, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit or CDs are worth considering. High-yield savings accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, although the rates are still relatively low compared to riskier investments. They provide easy access to your funds, making them a good option for emergency funds or short-term savings goals. CDs, on the other hand, require you to lock up your money for a fixed period, typically ranging from a few months to several years. In exchange for this commitment, you'll earn a higher interest rate than a savings account. CDs are a good option if you have a specific time horizon in mind and don't need immediate access to your funds. Now, if you're willing to put in a little more effort and you have an eye for a deal, flipping items can be a lucrative way to grow your $1,000. Flipping involves buying undervalued items such as furniture, electronics, or collectibles, refurbishing them or cleaning them up, and then reselling them for a profit. You can find great deals at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. The key to successful flipping is identifying items with profit potential, negotiating good prices, and knowing where to sell your finds for the highest possible price. Flipping does require time, effort, and a bit of market knowledge. You'll need to be comfortable with buying and selling, have basic repair or cleaning skills, and be patient in finding the right buyers. However, if you enjoy the thrill of the hunt and the satisfaction of turning a profit, flipping can be a rewarding side hustle or even a full-time business. Finally, let's talk about one of the riskiest but potentially most rewarding investment strategies: options trading. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset, like a stock or an index, at a specific price on or before a specific date. Options trading can be incredibly complex and is not suitable for beginners. It requires a deep understanding of options strategies, risk management, and market dynamics. However, with the right knowledge and approach, options trading can offer the potential for significant returns. If you're interested in learning more about options trading, I highly recommend starting with extensive education. There are countless resources available online, including courses, books, and tutorials. Start small, paper trade to practice your strategies, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So there you have it, 10 smart ways to invest $1,000 and start growing your wealth. Remember, the best investment strategy for you depends on your individual risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes is crucial for mitigating risk and maximizing your potential returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets that align with your investment strategy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos about building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Remember, the best investment strategy depends on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and personal preferences. Diversify your investments to spread risk and maximize returns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing your wealth.